How to fix Google Play Store stuck at installing on an Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store stuck at installing on Android phone. First, open settings and then click here, battery, and disable power saving mode. Maybe you'll find it like that, disable it. And now go to storage, click clean up, and here clean some space, and just clean some space here, and after that go back and go to settings, and then scroll down until you find apps, and then apps again, and here you will find Google Play Store. Click on it and click storage. Now click permissions, and then just clean some space here and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.